How to log in Groww account. Hello everyone, I am Shaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for groww.in. You will be led to the official webpage of Groww. So go ahead and tap on the login/register button on the top right. You will then be led to the login portal of Groww. So go ahead and enter your email address, or you can also log in using your Google account. In today's video, we will log in using email. So enter your email address and tap on Continue button. You will then be asked to enter your password. So go ahead and enter your password, and if you have forgotten your password, then tap on the Forgot Password button and recover your password and log in further. Once you have entered your login credentials, tap on the Submit button, and if the login credentials that you entered are correct, then you will be successfully logged in to Groww account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.